Welcome to paradise. Check it out. Margaritaville. No passport required right there. Alright, we're checked in at Margaritaville in Orlando. In fact, we got our rum punches going. Complimentary, in fact. So they know how to start the party off right.
Yeah, rum punch.
So we got our everything set up. We're gonna take a quick tour and walk around, see what we can find, and head to the room. So I got the Margaritaville store, front desk. Looks like a giant aquarium. It's really cool. Front exit. There's chandeliers, margarita glasses all upside down. Pretty cool. At the Euphoria Fish House. So we got some cocktails, live music, cocktails. Have live music during the day as you come through. So it looks like the place to be. Got the dining room out here. We have a world famous bartender right here. Oh, there they go. I'm gonna let you into the room. So this is our room. We did ask for a king, but we got 2 queens, which is not a big deal. Oh, we got really nice room. Ooh, we get the coffee maker. Oh, they even gave you a creamer. Refrigerator is missing the beer, sodas, and water, but we can deal with that. All right. Patio. Got 2 nice chairs, a table, facing the pool. We're on the 2nd floor. So we're back in the room. Bathroom. I don't know where the lights are. Oh yeah. Got your sign right here. Big shower. Walk-in shower. Rainfall shower head. Nice, nice. Then we have the closet. Yep. Regular standard closet, people. Very nice. Everything is controlled from the iPad that's furnished in the room. Even has my name on it. Right there. Woo. Yeah. All right. Let's go down. So we're on our way out to the pool. Check it out here. It's like 90 degrees out right now, 90, 91, something like that. A little on the humid side, but not too bad. No. Taking a little walk around. They got more than one pool here. They have one that they're building. It says it's under construction. They got a bar and grill there. I don't know what that building is yet. They got like little cabana things that are like a little right there. Kid area. Looks like they got a stage and stuff. Outdoor dining. And this is another pool area. A lot quieter over here. This is called the License to Chill pool. Right here. All right, we're at the Fins Up Beach Club. You get your towels and everything. No outside food or beverage beyond this point. Coolers are not permitted. Okay. Have all the stuff for your kids to get. So the surfboard right there, you rinse off. You got the bar right there. This is the pool area. Over there they got the little beach cabanas on the beach. We'll walk by there, check it out. Another bar, restaurant down there. So they got the little pedal cars here. You get a pedal car and cruise around. Beach club entrance, Fins Up. So we got our drinks. I got a mango tango. And she got a coca-rita. Coconut tequila. Looks good. Time for a sample.
Different?
But I tell you what, it's mango. Yep, it's mango. Wow, that's real mango. A lot of mango. That's a mango tango. Well, we just got our food. I got a couple of shrimp tacos right there. Jeannie got the fish burger grilled. Mahi grilled. Well, if it tastes as good as it smells, we got something going on here. Good morning from Margaritaville, Orlando. Sitting out on the balcony. Beautiful view this morning. Already feels like it's about 80 out. We got a view of the pool. So Another fun-filled, relaxing day. I don't know how it could be fun-filled and relaxing, but it's gonna be. So we're outdoors having breakfast. They just brought the first part. Some mimosas, a pineapple, and a cranberry. Looks awesome. Breakfast is served. Coconut waffle with pineapple. And she got the lobster omelet. Well, she's got her bucket drink heading to the water. And there it goes. All right, we're down at Margaritaville at the pool. Take a quick tour around the pool this morning. Not very busy yet. So here's the bar. We got the bartender here today. Is the middle bar going to be open today?
Yeah, tiki bar, man. Yeah.
Right on. That's the man right there to see. So we got a place right real close, and we're actually right there. So you can see the whole pool area. It's got the cabanas. You got cabanas you can rent and everything. Really nice. Play music all day long. In the afternoons, they started switching over to like Caribbean style music, Jimmy Buffett, stuff like that. Put a little reggae in there, give you that nostalgia feel. So we've been here for 4 days, and the pool staff is amazing. I mean, they were on top of it all the time, constantly walking around. They have a runner that walks around and brings you your drinks or food. They bring you the food right out onto the beach area pool. But yeah, it was really nice to have something like that here. Make sure you follow me all the way to the end and subscribe. This is one of the other bars, the Salty Rim Bar and Grill. We ate lunch over here the other day and had shrimp tacos, which were amazing. We'll walk up here. So they do a lot of entertainment. Yesterday they had contests and stuff all around here from the stage right here. So they do entertainment every day here. This bar's. We're at the bar area a little early today, but just had to come down to the pool early and check things out. So they have these little cabanas. Spit it out, George, spit it out. So I'm not sure how much they go for. Apparently it's a third party that does all of this. And all these ones in particular. And it was kind of confusing because the prices change all the time. It'd be nice if they had a set price. But kind of cool looking. Comfy little small cabana to go to. So we travel around even more here.
give you an idea how big this pool is. It is huge. And this is just one of the two that are around here. So when you come to visit, you'll have this pool, the pool on the other side, and then there's another pool on the next set over by the D section of the hotel. So check them out. The water is actually pretty warm. Here's all the cabanas again. Then you can cross over to the different sections, and they have a giant jacuzzi over here that we'll check out. So this is what separates the pool right here. You climb right out, steps are all right inside there. Climb right over to the other side. No difference in the temperature or nothing of the pool, but you'll be able to go from one side to the other because at both ends they're walk down. And as you can see, it's a walk down right here. So a nice gentle slope, not slippery like some of the pools we've been in, where you gotta be careful when you walk down. So here's a jacuzzi area. No bubbles yet. We'll keep going around. Everything is pretty much right up to the pool, all the seating and everything. So you can come. They have TVs available in there, the fans. In these, you get the refrigerators. 2 chairs and 2 lounges are included. Still doing a lot of construction work around here, so you'd be able to see more of it when you go to the website for their stuff right here. More cabanas.
We walk down here for me.
So we take around. People trying to find some spots. Some want the sun, some want the shade. The more I'm in the sun, the darker I get. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad, but I don't really like it myself personally. So there we go. So our room is right up there, building F, straight ahead. That's the main lobby area. Here we go. We're back at the...
All right, the man come through.
I got it. I got you. Thank you so much. Cheers. Salud.
Thank you.
Got you.
All right, she got her blender cup from Margaritaville. They said they didn't have none, but he found her one. So, and then my mojito. But I think he found one because out of all the employees here, he's the only one that actually piffed us off. So he's trying to make up for it, which is good on his part. The man's bringing some more good stuff. Got some extra rum. Woo-woo.